Wonderful guys, shalom shalom. Welcome to the Judean Mountains here. And the beautiful place of Marsaba Monastery. Now guys, this mountains, it's really beautiful and amazing. Wow. That's beautiful. Incredible. Rivers in the desert. So guys, at a river in the desert, it's really unbelievable. Wow. It's really wow. Look guys. Whee. Look, it's amazing and wonderful monastery here in Marsaba. It's amazing and fascinating caves here in the Judean desert. It's really amazing. It's a really great place. Welcome to hike, to explore this fascinating place here. I hope you cannot regret. Just come and enjoy and explore the beauty, the splendor of Marsaba Monastery here in the middle of the Judean desert. That's a lovely guys. Lovely. You can see all the caves and the mountains, the place where hermits see. And from there see all the, so you can reach. That's great. See all the sheep, the shepherds with their sheep in the cliff of the mountain. Wow, that's fantastic. That's awesome. Really incredible. Incredible guys. Wow. Amazing. Lovely. What a beautiful